Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on GitHub pages. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically all we need to do now is to simply go to GitHub and then we will be needing to go to repositories. So either you can access them here from your dashboard and you click on repositories, or you can simply click on the three line icons and you can go to repositories, or you can simply also click on your profile picture and then get to repository again. And from there we will choose any repository. We click for example on this one, and you will need to note that GitHub pages only work on static sites, and basically if you have any dynamic content it wouldn't work. And basically all we need to do now is just to go to the setting so we can enable our uh, GitHub pages. And to do so we will just simply go to the settings and make sure that you are on the code and automation place, or code and automation section. And basically we will find at the bottom of the section these pages. We click on pages, and here we will deploy from a branch, of course, and make sure to choose the branch that you would like, and in my case it will be main. And I'm just going to click on save, and basically it will be published. So as you can see, you will need just to go and refresh, and you can just wait for the page to be published, and basically we'll be able to access to your page from the github.io slash your page, etc. And also you can start giving it some uh, custom domains if you would like, for example uh, .tt or whatever. And as you can see, you can save and it will start having a domain check, etc. So let's just remove the custom and you can just access to your book bot. So as you can see, basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.